addictive to play with and super fun. Ever thought about why slime is so interesting? It stretches endlessly and feels so squishy. Also makes those funny sounds when you poke it. Its unique texture and movement make it a treat for all ages. But slime isn't just a random squishy thing. It has a history and some awesome science behind it. And some modern tweaks make it even more exciting. In today's video, we're going to explore the stretchy world of slime. We'll look at where it came from and how it's made. So let's jump right in. So where did this squishy sensation actually come from? Slime didn't just appear out of nowhere. In fact, it's been around for quite some time. It all started in the 1970s, when a company called Mattel introduced it as a fun toy for kids. They called it slime and it came in. It wasn't until the 1970s that slime became the famous toy we know today. After its initial success, slime experienced a lull in the 1980s and 1990s. It became overshadowed by other toys like action figures and video games. Then something amazing happened by the two. Kids all around the world started making their own slime at home. They figured out that they can make slime with just a few simple ingredients. All you need is a little glue and baking soda. This allowed them to create their own gooey creations, or slime, and then the DIY slime trend exploded online. Hundreds of videos showing how to make slime were going viral. It was a game changer. Kids didn't just play with slime. They became slime makers. It turned into an entire hobby. Now let's find out how slime is made, step by step from the factory to your hands. The exact amount of each ingredient is measured to make sure the slime has the right consistency. With the ingredients ready, they're poured into a large mixing machine. The PVA and borate solution are blended together. This triggers the chemical reaction that turns the mixture into slime. The mixing process is monitored to make sure the slime is smooth and uniform. As the mixture is stirred, it starts to change depth. It slowly transforms from a watery liquid into a thick and viscous substance. The polymers in the PVA start to link up. This creates long chains that give the slime its stretchy and gooey feel. The mixture is then gently heated. The heat helps the ingredients blend together more smoothly. The temperature is carefully monitored so that the slime doesn't get too hot or too cold. If the temperature is more enjoyable to look at, they also add to the excitement of playing with it. Plus, fragrances or essential oils are added to give the slime a nice scent. Some slimes even come with unique fragrances, like taffy or bubble gum. The mixture is stirred carefully to make sure the color and scent is evenly distributed. Before the slime is packaged and sent out, it goes through a testing and quality control process. This step ensures that every batch of slime meets the factory's strict standards. The slime is tested for several factors. This includes texture, stretchiness, and overall quality. The testers check if the slime is too thick or too runny. They also look for whether it feels smooth or sticky. These tests help the factory workers make sure that each batch is perfect. If something isn't up to par, then adjustments are made to the recipe. Sometimes extra ingredients are added to improve the texture to play with, and no one wants that. So the cooling process is carefully timed. They can make sure that the slime is at its best when it's packed into containers. When the slime has cooled, it's time to package it. The slime is carefully scooped into containers. These containers can be small plastic tubs, jars, or bags. Each container is filled to a specific way to ensure consistency. This process is done quickly and efficiently. Machines are used that handle the slime gently so it doesn't get damaged, and then slime is sealed securely in its container to keep it fresh. After the slime is packaged, it goes through the labeling process. Each container gets a label with important information. The label includes the brand and the type of slime. It also mentions any special feature, like if it's glittery or scented. Some packaging also has safety, and it's super easy First up is the simplest way to make slime with just 3 basic ingredients. All you need is some school glue, baking soda, and contact lens solution. Start by pouring your glue into a bowl. Add a teaspoon of baking soda and mix until smooth. Then slowly add the contact lens solution. While stirring, watch as the mixture thickens and turns into slime. Knead it with your hands until it's the perfect stretchy texture, and that's it. If you're looking to avoid borax, you can use a similar recipe. This includes glue, baking soda, and saline solution. You can also add food color and glitter for some extra flair. This method is completely safe and keeps things simple. Finally, here's how to make non-stick slime. All you need is cornstarch and dish soap. Combine 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1 and 2 tablespoons of dish soap. In a bowl, stir the mixture until innovations that have taken this squishy toy to the next level. Because let's be honest, slime isn't just about playing with glue anymore. It took social media by storm and is now an entire world of unique varieties and creative ideas. One of the most colorful new additions is glitter slime. This variety adds a sparkly touch to the classic slime. Kids love the way the glitter moves inside the slime as it stretches and squishes. You can find glitter slime in all sorts of color. They come in rainbow gold or even holographic glitter. Another exciting innovation is scented slime. Imagine squishing slime that smells like your favorite fruit or baked goods. Slime now comes with scents like watermelon, vanilla, or bubble gum. This is made possible with essential fragrance oils. This makes playing with slime a multi-sensory experience. Fluffy slime is another popular twist. It's made by adding shaving cream or foam beads to create a line, and there's scents. It's like a DIY slime factory at home. You can create slime with glitter and foam beads. You can even add tiny toys inside, aside from glitter scents and fluffy textures. Another awesome new feature is temperature-sensitive slime. These slimes change color when exposed to heat or cold. There's also magnetic slime, which reacts to magnets. For the kids that love all things science, this one is pretty fun. They can experiment around and make it a whole project. Hyper-elastic slime, designed for extreme stretching without breaking, is another hit among enthusiasts. And for fans of art, glow-in-the-dark and UV, reactive slimes bring an added layer of fun. They light up under specific conditions. So we can see that slime has evolved from a toy to a creative and customizable experience. Whether you love the glittery shine, the soft fluffiness, or the yummy scents, there's a new kind of slime out there. This visibility has helped small slime businesses grow quickly. It's also connected creators with customers around the world. Teenagers like Maddie Ray and others have used their creativity to build full-scale businesses. They all started from small setups at home. For example, one teen earned over $1 million selling her slimes. So if you're good at making it, there's definitely a big market for it. Even large companies like Elmer's Glue have stepped in. They've launched their own slime-making kits. These products are designed to compete with independent creators. Slime conventions are becoming more popular and attracting many fans. ASMR videos featuring slime have also helped the market grow even more today. Slime has become a lucrative industry, blending creativity with entrepreneurship. And as slime becomes more popular, creators are finding ways to make their products sustainable. Let's explore the shift toward eco-friendly slime options. Fills in compostable bags. This helps reduce plastic waste. Makers also use eco-glitter made from natural materials. It replaces synthetic glitter while keeping slime fun and eco-friendly. With all these benefits, it's a perfect toy for kids. Because playing with slime isn't just fun. It actually has surprising benefits for kids. It's an activity that keeps them entertained while helping their development in many ways. First, it's super tactile. Slime offers a unique sensory experience. When you stretch and squeeze it, you're engaging your sense of touch. It's a unique experience that regular toys just can't match. Next, it helps kids with their creativity, because they don't just play with slime. They make their own with DIY slime kits. They can experiment with different colors and textures. Plus, they can even add things like glitter or action figures. This sparks their imagination and allows them to get through a busy day. There's also the visual appeal. Slime comes in so many different colors and varieties that it's visually stimulating. And hey, it's a great activity to do with others. Kids love playing with slime, with their friends and family. With simple recipes and affordable materials, anyone can join the slime craze. And there you have it. If you enjoyed learning all about slime, don't forget to hit that like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more fun and interesting videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.